Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to add your images to the frame mockup template. Let's begin. When you open the template, you will see this. You will see C1, Scene 1, and Scene 2. Expand Scene 1. Let's add an image. Double click to the add image smart layer. Choose an image from your computer. Let's drag this one. Adjust the size and click File and Save. Close this layer and let's go to Scene 2. Double click on Add Image 2. Do the same. You can add the same image or a different image. In this example, I chose a different image. The same, click File, Save, and close this layer. Now you have added your two images. If you want to display the timeline, you can click Window, Timeline, and we'll see the timeline. I think you will not need this step. After adding the images, click File, Export, and Render Video. You can rename your file, exported file. I will keep just add 2 or 3 to know my file name. I choose to export the file to the desktop. There is an essential step here. You should have Adobe Media Encoder installed on your computer to be able to render this file, and leave all the other settings as it is. Click Render, and this step takes some time. Let's wait until finish the rendering process. Now the rendering process has finished. Let's preview the exported video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you adding your images into the mockup template. Thank you.